Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Sorry I haven't updated my channel for a long time. Actually for 1 year. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Chinese writing or Bihua. Like in English, we have different styles for character writing in Chinese as well. For example, we have 狂草 or 草书. It's kind of like the cursive in English. We also have 楷书 or 楷体. It's kind of like the print style in English. We also have some other styles such as 隶书. All these words were written in a traditional way using a tool called 毛笔. It's mostly made of wooden or bamboo stick with animal fur attached. To one end. Nowadays, we use pens to write, of course. And we don't bother to write in a beautiful style or shape. We just write in a correct way. Following the print version, for example, the version that you get by using any Chinese input methods on your phone or computer. Those beautiful styles we mentioned before are only used in arts and of your own interest. Now let's talk about how a Chinese word is composed and what is the order to write its component. The very basic parts of a character are called strokes. A Chinese word or character is made of one or more strokes. There are dozens kinds of Chinese writing strokes. For example, dot or dian. In this word, and horizontal, vertical strokes in this word. Some strokes can form a radical or pianpang. One or more radicals or parts then form a character. Radicals usually have some meaning themselves. For example, here, this radical is actually a character itself. The character is called mu or wood. As a radical, it's called 木字旁 or wooden part. It's a very common radical in Chinese characters, many of which are related to wood. For example, this word means a building which was made of wood in the old time. Now that we learn the parts of a word, sorry, let's talk about how to write it. For stroke writing, we usually follow the rule top to bottom and left to right. For example, that's how we write horizontal stroke or 横 from left to right. And that's how we write a vertical stroke or 竖 from top to bottom. That's how we write left diagonal stroke or 撇 from top to bottom. That's how we write right diagonal stroke or 捺 from top to bottom. For a radical or whole character writing, we write strokes one by one, following similar orders such as top to bottom, left to right. Outer to inner, or inner to outer. Etc. For example, the word 桶 we follow the order left to right, outer to inner, and top to bottom. We first write the left vertical stroke, then the right 横折钩. Then we write the inner parts. For the inner parts, we write the top first, then the bottom. Finally, let's write a word together. The word is ba, meaning dad. The strokes here are dots, diagonals, horizontals, verticals, and a hook. The two radicals. The top part full, meaning dad, and the bottom part, ba. We first write the top radical, then the bottom radical. For the top part, we first write the top left dot or diagonal. Then the right dot. Then the left diagonal. Then the right diagonal. For the bottom part, we first write outside horizontal. It's also top. Then vertical. Then inside vertical. Then outside horizontal. Finally, wrap it up using vertical, horizontal, hook, or through one go. Lastly, I would say we don't have to follow the writing order of stroke and whole word perfectly. Actually, I don't think everybody writes in the same order. We just need to follow a rough order. That's good enough. For later on writing videos, we are going to learn and practice all these strokes, radicals, and orders together. Look forward to sharing them with you. That's all. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.